What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We just got a camera, or a gimbal for my camera, so you know, I'm trying to get better at short-term content, you know, so we're practicing some gimbal moves. Yeah, check out the social media platform, same as my YouTube channel, if you want to see the progress and whatnot. But yeah, we kind of just gooning around today, man, just seeing what's up. It's a Saturday, super pretty outside, so we just hit that a little sharp. I hit that turn a little sharp.
Yeah. I didn't realize it was going to cut in that far.
Yeah, it does. Go ahead and get gas real quick and then kind of just fuck around. Guys, we are 22 miles away from 4,000 miles on this bike. This right here, and then but yeah, check it out, man, the sock on the shoe, man. So these are some of my nice shoes, so I don't want to get them all dirty, so I put the sock on and it keeps them nice and clean. But here's a spot for some photos. Got SeaWorld right there, but I mean, photos, videos, I mean, how could you not want to come out on a day like this though? And the bikes look good too. All right, back to the crib, let's go. Yeah, she moves. Five more miles and we hit 4K. Part of this channel is we're driving these bikes, any bike I get, this one, future bikes, we're driving them until they blow up. I just want to bulletproof this engine because there still are weak points. I gotta get over. There's definitely weak points in this engine. I'm still doing research, like what do I need to do to bulletproof this. Would really appreciate the feedback, you know, if you guys know something, how to make these things, you know, to the point where I could really F shit up, let's do it. But like right here, you can tell the power curve dies down. Oh my goodness, more traffic. You gonna catch me lane splitting though. Let's go. Oh, just be careful though. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Oh, 4,001 miles, boys. Yep, for sure you're gonna see me, where you're gonna see the next video being a 4,000 mile review. And I do have quite a bit of things to say, more good than bad, but all things you should consider if looking at either getting a lowrider, Harley in general, or just a motorcycle. But if you don't have a motorcycle, get one. There's nothing else. There's nothing. I shouldn't have to say anything else. Again though, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And you already know what that next video is going to be.